Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess, and welcome back to everybody else. If you're into Australian makeup, Australian drugstore makeup, indie makeup, that kind of thing, this channel is for you. So please do think about subscribing. It really does help me out as a small YouTuber. And today's video, I'm very excited because I am doing a first impressions on a lash company. They are called MAGNIFEYE Me, and I've been sent the Tea Party collection, and they are a magnetic lash company. And if you guys know me, I'm a bit of a lash noob. However, I do prefer magnetic lashes overall than traditional glued lashes because I find for my hooded eyes they are relatively easier to apply. So I'll show you what the inside looks like. Without trying to blind you. Yeah. So you get the applicator, 3 sets of lashes, and the liner, which is the magnetic liner. And these are all 100% vegan, cruelty free, and they are faux mink synthetic lashes. How cute is that little kit? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Love it. Let's dive right on in, shall we? What I already like about the kit is that the lashes don't seem to be the ones where you have to pull apart and have 2 little bits to clamp onto your lashes with the magnets like that, because of the liner itself. So I think that's going to be a lot easier for me to actually do. Also love that it comes with a great big mirror included in the kit. That's really handy. Don't have to faff around trying to find a mirror. That's what the applicator looks like for the liner. So these lashes apparently have 6 mini micro magnets onto them, and they're meant to be very comfortable, perfect for all day wear, and we're going to test that out. Not bad. And you're meant to let it dry for a couple of minutes before applying the lash. Already, what I do like about the liner is that it is really thin, which makes it really easy to control to put it on your lash line. So if you're worried about messing up, I usually always mess up my liner. The lashes is going to hide it anyway. So I think that's a really nice thin liner. Apparently the lash itself, they've got a comfort fit band. It feels quite, like, it doesn't feel stiff compared to other lashes that I have tried. Like, it's quite pliable, which I like. It's very thin as well, so I think that'll make it for easier everyday wear. Really easy to put on. I'll blend it with some mascara. I think they're quite pretty. So I find the best way to put them on is holding with the applicator and going from above and then just adjusting. Now I probably haven't done that perfectly by any means, but they are actually really easy to apply. They feel quite sturdy as well. They feel stuck on quite well. They don't feel like they're going to peel off like traditional glue lashes do. I actually really like how easy they are to apply. It's so much easier, in my opinion, than traditional glued lashes. And they feel super light. That one. Okay, so these are actually super easy to apply. They don't feel like they're going to fly off at all. They're meant to be windproof, waterproof, all the proofs apparently, which is great. If you're a lash noob like myself, please do check them out. They're really quite good to apply. The liner I particularly like due to how thin it is. I like that it's quite pigmented and black, so you could probably also use it just as a liner on its own. The kit does cost $69, I believe. I'll put the proper price on the screen here as well. And they're a company that is based in New Zealand. They actually have a whole range of lashes on their website, and this, I used the middle one. I'll put all the lash styles on a screen as well, because I can't think of what they're actually called. But what I love about this kit is that it's all in one. Comes in a great little box like that with the instructions and the care guide on the back, so you know exactly what to do. They also have a little video that I think on their website as well for directions if you prefer to try learning that way. I think if you're a beginner at lashes, these are great because these are so easy to apply. My eyes get super watery as well, so, and they're not even irritated at all. You can't even tell that they're on. And they're just a nice, wispy, everyday kind of lash. Not too much, just something nice if you want a bit of extra something to your makeup. So I am going to try the glasses test with these lashes, because what I like to do is if they hit the glasses, because I find that kind of irritating with lashes, and I do wear glasses full time. I'm a full-time glasses wearer. So alright, so they don't touch the glass at all, which is really good because I would find that a bit off-putting. And I think that the lashes actually give my eyes a bit more attention even with my glasses on. That's something to note if you're a glasses wearer as well and want to wear lashes. So I do really actually quite like the liner, as I said before, because it hasn't smudged, it hasn't cracked or anything weird like that. It's quite a nice matte black as well. And I am having issues with this end sticking, but that could just be me because I'm a lash noob. But yeah, overall I'm really thrilled with these lashes, and I'll give you a close-up look of the actual kit. I'll insert some photos and the different lash styles as well. I was sent this for review purposes, but all opinions will be my own, so don't you ever fear about that. I'll link everything down below. So yeah, I am actually really excited about this lash brand, and I'm really happy that I got to try out the Tea Party kit. It's their limited edition kit, so please go check it out. So guys, that is my first impressions, mini review and demo on the MAGNIFEYE lashes, MAGNIFEYE Me lashes. If you are at all interested in trying out these lashes, please do click on the link below. I'll put it in the description bar. And yeah, I think that's all I've got to say about that. But thank you so much for watching. Just a short little sweet video on this. And do give this video a thumbs up. It does really help me out as a small YouTuber. And until my next video, stay well and bye.